This tutorial will show you how to use Z-level and Planar Remachining in madCAM. Here we have a metal insert for a plastic mold, and the Z-level remachining is very useful at steep areas like this where it's very little room for the cutter and we need a constant cutting depth for not breaking the cutter. Okay, first thing to do is to select the model for madCAM, and then we select the cutter. We will use a flat end 1.5mm cutter. Then we go to Z-level remachining and we select a previous cutter that we used before, and it could say it's a 6mm ball end cutter. Then it's just to click OK, and we can choose step down direction, and we can also use sharp or smooth toolpath corners. Smooth will make a smooth corner and also make a connected blend loops at the lead in and lead outs. Okay, click OK, and madCAM calculates the toolpath. And there we have the toolpath, and we can see it will only machine where the previous cutter couldn't reach material due to cutter size. Now we can make planar remachining toolpath, and the planar remachining will cut all the relatively flat areas on the model. So it's just to go to planar remachining, and we select the previous cutter and click OK, and we can choose direction, and in this I think this will be most suitable with a contouring option. Click OK, and madCAM calculates the toolpath. And there we have the planar remachining, and we can see if we hide the Z level, we can see that the planar remachining has only machined where you have the flat, relatively flat areas on the model. And now we can take a look in the simulator. And here we can see how the part looks when we have machined the roughing and the finishing. And now we can simulate the Z-level remachining and planar remachining. And here we can see it goes climb cut in Z levels for keeping the cutting depth constant. And here we see the contour planar remachining, and it will clean up all the relatively flat areas where the previous cutter couldn't reach material. Speed it up a little bit. And here we can see the result after the Z-level and planar remachining toolpath. Thank you very much.